Welcome back. In this video, I will cover how to get started setting up a Profiles project. For starters, it would be great for you to know where our dev docs exist and how they are laid out. These docs can serve as a guide and continual reference to the different concepts and configurations available within Profiles. There are two ways to create and start a Profiles project: local development through the Profiles CLI tool and your preferred IDE, or within the web app itself, where you can develop on a cloud IDE. In this video, I will cover how to set up and develop locally using the PB CLI tool. We have a local CLI profile builder called PB. The setup document can be found here, where it will lay out how to download PB and start a project. It is best practice to install this in an isolated virtual Python environment. In your terminal, run the command pip install RudderStack Profiles within your Python environment in order to install it locally. Once installed, you now want to create a configuration file that PB can use to connect to your warehouse. This file will be different than the actual project configuration, though your project configuration will reference this file. This file is called the siteconfig YAML. To create a siteconfig, run the command pb init connection. Then follow the prompts within your terminal session in order to fill out a YAML file for your Profiles project to use in order to connect to your warehouse. All the warehouse users, roles, and target schemas have to exist prior to a Profiles run. Profiles does not create these on your behalf. Additionally, it is recommended to create two target schemas for Profiles, one for development and one for production. Now, let's create a project. We will now run this command in order to create a local project directory. You can name the project directory whatever you want. Here's a quick look at the structure of the directory. I will go into more detail on each file within the next video. To recap, we covered how to download the PB CLI tool. In the next video, we will initiate a Profiles project in the control plane and begin developing within the RudderStack web app. For the remainder of this video series, we will be developing our Profiles project directly within the RudderStack web app IDE.